In my Valentine week series, I'll be uploading and sharing with you guys last minute and budget friendly ideas. So stay tuned. Hello friends, video number 4, that is on Teddy Day. If you're rich, what you can do is just go to shop, buy a good teddy and gift it. Simple, that's it. But if you're garib like me and you want some unique ideas and budget friendly ideas, then what you can do is just make yourself a teddy. Yes. You're wondering what am I saying? Yes. If you don't have any option, what you can do is just make yourself a teddy. What you can say is, no, don't say, just type a message and send it, or else just take a sheet of paper, write it down, fold it, make something like card and gift it. What you can do is just take a paper, write it, what I am writing. I have put that in the description box so you can copy it from there. And write your name over here. Like I'll write Dhruvi. Then put your text over here. And it reads as follows: Happy Teddy Day. I would love to be your teddy throughout your life. No complaints, no demands. Just will always listen to you. Like I'll be with you just like your teddy in your sad times as well as happy times. You can get angry on me and even you can hug me when feel low. Yeah, little cheesy, but this is what you can do if you don't have a budget to gift a teddy. So you yourself can become a teddy. Yes, it's really very weird or something different that making yourself a teddy and saying yes, I am your teddy. But it's okay, girls love it and I think even boys will like it. So you can use this idea. So if you have any other ideas, you can let me know in the comment section below so others can use those ideas also, and it should be budget friendly and last minute ideas. That's it for today. I hope you like my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe because my tomorrow's video is going to be on Promise Day. So how to make a promise, what to make a promise, so you have to see that video. So do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified that my video is uploaded. That's it for today. Bye bye.